everyone, welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ. And if you are new, you can go through our videos. We are going through some of the Trailhead modules, super badges. We try to cover the concepts as well, and we do some real-time based scenarios or interview questions related to the Apex trigger and LWCs as well. So we are starting this series. It will be on and off between the Agent Force Innovator badge and this. So in this series, what we are going to do, we are starting the understanding of Lightning Web Components from the basics, how you should create it in the VS Studio, and then what are the steps initially to help you make a basic LWC component, how you can deploy it to your developer org, how you can enable it, or you can get it visible on your org, all these kind of stuff. And maybe in the end we will be making a real-time based project as well. So stay tuned on this, and so let's get started. So first of all, the requirement is you should have VS Studio on your on your laptop or browser or any device you are using. Sorry. So yes, you should be having VS Studio, and then you should be having a developer org. So I am having this developer org, and if you are not having any developer org, you should know how to create a developer org, and on that I have already made a video. I'll be pasting the link of that in the description box, that how to create a developer org for free. And then you should have the developer org connected to your VS Studio. After you are connected with your VS Studio, you should be able to see this here, and for that as well we have a video. I'll be pasting the link again in the description box. So these two things you should be sorted for you. Now let's talk about the Lightning Web Components. So to create a Lightning Web Component, what we need to do, we need to pass a command which will allow us to give an option that we want to create a Lightning Web Component, and then it will create default files of the Lightning Web Components. So for that, what we need to do is you can use the command palette. It will be on top here, or you can use the terminal here. You can write the command whole, or if not, then what you can do, you can just, if you are using Mac, you can click command shift and P. It will show you or give you these options. And if you are using Windows, you can do control shift P, then it should give you options. And after it will giving you a list like this, and you are not seeing this option, that is SFDX create Lightning Web Component, just search for Lightning. So it should give you this option. And yes, again, after connecting your developer org to the VS Studio, you should be having some of the extensions installed, that is Salesforce CLI and other extensions as well. I guess I have covered that as well in video, but if not, I'll just let you know briefly here. So there are some of the extension, that is extension pack, CLI integration. So these should be installed. Now let's create Lightning Web Component. I'll click on this create Lightning Web Component. It is asking me to give a name of it, and I'll just give it as a name as first LWC, and then it is asking us directory where we want to store it. So this is correct, and I'll click enter, and this is our first LWC is created with files of HTML, JS and the meta file. So HTML file looks like this. It is having a template element or tag with open and close tag. Then we are having a JS file which is importing Lightning element class from the LWC directory, and then we are having this LWC export class where we will be writing our whole logic. And there we are having a meta file which allow us to give some of the properties, or where we want to display this LWC, all these kind of things. So for that, now what we will do, our LWC is created, but it is not deployed yet to the org, developer org. So what we will do, we will simply go to the HTML and write here in H1 tag, let's write first LWC. After writing this, I'll go to the JS. No changes are required here. Then I'll go to the meta file, and in this is exposed tag, I'll change this value from false to true, and then I'll enter the targets. What are the targets? It allow us to know where we want to display our LWC. So yes, so we will display it on the app page, on the record page, sorry, on the record page and on the home page as well. I'll deploy it on the all three pages to show you how it will look like. Okay, so now what we'll do, you can click on the right click and it will give you all these options. Then you can select this option, that is SFDX, deploy this source to org, and it should look like this. And at the last you will get the confirmation that it is deployed to the org. Now we'll go to the org, and what we have to do, this is the app page, as we are on the sales app. So this is the app page, no sorry, this is the home page of sales app. So what we'll do, we'll just click on this setup icon and then click on edit page. It will open the lightning app builder of this page, and then we will search for our LWC. It should be visible here. So here it is, first LWC. So what we'll do, we'll just drag and drop it on the top here. So okay, one second. Yeah, you should just drag it and drop it here. It is not allowing me. Let me just create a section. Or maybe tab. Okay, I guess it is not editable. Okay, so let's go back first, and we'll try to do it on the record page to see if we are missing something or something is wrong with that only. So I'll open the account record, and then again I'll do the same. I'll click on here and then click on edit page. Then I'll go back to, I'll open this details, and I'll again search for my component and drag and drop it here, so it is visible here. So that's how we should be able to do it on the home page as well, but some problem is there. I'll just check on that, and after saving it, will go back and it will go on the details tab. Here it is, first LWC. So that's how it will look like, and let's try once again to try this, or let's try some other app. Okay, so I'll open test LWC app, as this app is created by me only, so we should not be facing any problem here. So yes. Okay, so that app page or home page was not editable for us somehow. So we edited here on our custom app and on the home page of that custom app, and you already have seen that we have already added it on the record page as well of the accounts. So that's how it will look like. So I hope in this video you are able to learn that how to create LWC, then how to enter the tags or targets where we want our LWC to be visible, and then how on the developer org we can have it and drag and drop it to have it visible for us. So if you do like it, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you are having any more doubts, and we'll be continuing this series in our part 2. So thank you, stay tuned.